Hey guys, I'm Blake, and I'm pretty decent at solving Rubik's Cube. However, wouldn't it be cool if I did one on a skateboard, on a hoverboard, while riding a bike? However, the question of the day is whether I can solve one on a pogo stick. Alright guys, I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube while skateboarding. Let's do this. This is solving Rubik's Cube on a hoverboard. Let's go! This is solving Rubik's Cube on a bike. Here we go. This is solving Rubik's Cube while on a pogo stick. Yeah. Let's stop right here. Okay, here's the thing. This was my 9th try. I kept getting so close, and I finally got it. But then something happened. Let me show you. Okay, yeah, you saw that right. I just threw the finished Rubik's Cube off camera so no one would believe me. Let's try this again. Solving a Rubik's Cube on a skateboard, on a hoverboard, on a bicycle, and on a pogo stick. Thanks for watching. Subscribe!